Indian Railways is very important for our country. It connects people and places. Millions of people travel by train every day. For a long time, Indian Railways used old coaches. These coaches were not very safe or comfortable. Indian Railways needed better coaches. They needed coaches that were safer and more comfortable. These new coaches should also be faster and more modern. LHB coaches are the new modern coaches for Indian Railways. LHB stands for Linke Hofmann Busch. It is a German company. LHB coaches are made with better technology. They are safer and more comfortable than the old coaches. Indian Railways is now using LHB coaches in many trains. The old coaches are called ICF coaches. ICF coaches are not as good as LHB coaches. LHB coaches are much safer. They have better brakes. They don't derail easily. They are also more comfortable. LHB coaches have more space. They have better seats and toilets. Traveling in LHB coaches is a better experience. Passengers like the comfortable seats in LHB coaches. The journey is smoother. The air conditioning is also better. Many important trains have LHB coaches. Some of these trains are Rajdhani, Shatabdi, and Duronto. LHB coaches are making train travel better in India. They are the future of Indian Railways.